Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage of man's Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of man's Australia fair.
Hey everyone, Mr. Carlson thought I did such a great job last week that he's got me doing it again. So I'm here to tell you about our week and what's happening next week. So I thought we might go in and see how these preppies are going because we haven't seen them for a while. So we'll come in. Oh, let's see these preppies. What? There's no preppies. Where are our preppies? That's right. They're at swimming. Oh, well, I hope they've had a wonderful time at swimming. Our classrooms are going to look like this on Monday because we also have our curriculum day. So don't forget, there's no school on Monday. All our classrooms are going to be empty like this one. The other thing that we need to remember is we've got pajama day on Friday next week. So you can come in with your warm pajamas, maybe have a robe on, maybe your runners, because slippers will get wet. So if you have slippers only for inside, make sure you have your shoes for outside. The other thing that we do have happening as well is they had the disco. You had the disco. Everyone was dancing. Everyone was dancing. Did you have a bit of the good old sprinkler? Maybe the washing machine? Or were you just all keeping to your dabs? Or you were doing a bit of this? Well, I hope there was a lot of mystical creatures around last night. What a scary place it might have been. Hope you all had fun. See you next time.
Hi, I'm Mansi.
And I'm Atab.
Next week's Respect Expectation is I report or call out disrespectful behavior,
We can do this by reporting bullying, teasing, or unsafe behavior.
or telling an adult when someone is being unsafe or disrespectful.
We are looking forward to seeing this positive behavior around the schoolyards. Bye.
Hello and welcome to this week's Student Talk. I'm Suranjan
And I'm Cadence.
and today we are interviewing Emily from 6G. Now onto the questions. What is your favorite sport?
AFL.
What AFL team do you go for?
Geelong.
What is your favorite thing to do in the weekend?
Play football.
What is your favorite season?
Spring.
Say.
If you could travel to any country, where would you go?
France.
That's a good one. What is your favorite pizza topping?
Pepperoni.
What is your favorite event at school?
A colour fun run.
And do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a lizard,
2 turtles, and a bird.
Thank you, Emily, for your time today. Stay tuned for more Student Talk next week. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, it's Mrs. Perkins and welcome back for some more breaking news. Well, we've had some detectives around the school and they have been witnessing people not using the main building door entry, and also some sneaky students have been running through the main building. So I have some assistant reporters here and we're going to show you how to enter and exit the main building, and when we're in the main building, how we move around. Let's go!
When we walk through the building, we have to be quiet.
Walk away, don't run.
Let's respect our community. Say bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope you have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud, and we'll see you next week. Bye.